What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Hawk, and today I have something special for you guys. So this is a sponsored video. Fred from GLOVEBOX did send this out this month, and this is the February's glove box. And just to keep everybody posted, this is a special limited edition box. That's what Fred said. And if you are already subscribed to their glove box, well, pretty much they always send quality products, mix and match every month. And that way you get to test other products that are out there on the market. And yeah, so if you're already subscribed, typically they don't send anything in a box this big. I saved some time. I just cut the top box out, and when you open up the box, it comes with 2 packs in here. So I'm gonna open everything up and we're going to unbox and see everything else that's in here. And thank you very much, Fred. All the products will be down below in the description. You could use code DMS at checkout to get 30% off your first box, and also 30% off on other products on their site. So first box is going to be opened, and let me use my keys to open this up. And let's see what is inside. And comes with a pamphlet. It says GLOVEBOX RX. It's your daily dose of car care. So it's a refill, reload, and reuse. So it comes with 4 in here. Yep, I see 4 different colors. So it's a waterless wash, glass cleaner, spray wax, and interior cleaner. So comes with all the instructions. You can pause the video for yourself to watch and read, but let's get started. So I'm gonna pull out the green one that I see here, and it comes with its own bottles, it looks like. Guessing this is a Rag Company towel. So this looks like the creature from the Rag Company. And this is their waterless wash. I don't know how I would put this on, but I will read the instructions in a bit. Let's go through the unboxing first of everything that comes in, and at the end of the video, I'll show how to refill this. So next up in here is a waffle weave towel that they give, which is great typically for glass cleaning. So, and this is a glass. Yep, the glass cleaner. Same thing. Comes with a nice sprayer. Let's open up the other one, which is the purple one. And which one is this one? This is their spray wax, and it comes with a nice, this is the Rag Company's, I think, Eagle 500 or something like that, or 350. Very nice. Next up, and last but not least, is their interior cleaner. So GLOVEBOX, I can't wait to use this. Let's see how it performs. It says it's a clean scent. And does this have, it just says clean scent. So I don't know if they're just all clean scents. We'll figure it out once we move to that part of the video. Open up the second box. But this looks kind of cool. This looks like a little vitamins or something for your car. And the one thing I did forget to mention is I love how they incorporated every single type of towel, which you have your terry cloth, microfiber type of weave for your interior, the waffle for your glass, the green creature for your waterless, and a fluffy one for your spray wax. So that's that. Let's open up the second one. And alright, sorry it was cut off, but yeah, so we have some goodies in here, as you can see. So let's see what comes inside. So first off this is the For the Wins from the Rag Company, and it's a 3-pack. It's an amazing product. You can even use this, or it's an amazing towel. You can really use this with their spray wax to apply a spray wax, and then you could go on with your fluffy one that they gave you, because they mesh color coded it, and you could do the final buff with this. So we'll try that out in a separate video, but That's that for the wins. It's a fantastic towel. I have a bunch of these as well. You can never have too much. So that's that. And this is Action Products glass cleaner. So it's made in the USA, so I will give this a go and see how things are with this. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of glass cleaners, but it doesn't hurt to try the new stuff that I haven't tried. I can't just render something out and say it's not good, but I'm gonna try this glass cleaner out. And it comes with a waffle weave towel as well for the glass. So that's awesome from GLOVEBOX to include that. Next up is ultra concentrated car wash soap sheets. Okay, this to me is 10 soap sheets. I don't know how this will work. Where it says how to use soap sheets, I will pause the video. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, so, or not pause it. You guys can pause it right there to read it. And yeah, so that's about it for this. Next up is Jamie the Cleaner. They added Jamie the Cleaner's Clean Maker on here. This is an awesome glove box for sure, and this is one of the other reasons I'm guessing it's definitely limited edition, because there's only 1,000 of these made. So once they're gone, they're gone. You're not gonna have that JTC logo. So if you guys haven't ordered, definitely get some of the Clean Maker, or you can make it yourself. And I think that's about it. In here, there's nothing much, just cards. Comes with a sprayer and a couple codes for other stuff. So yeah, so that's about it for this one. Now let's get started with their RX. All right, so let's go on to the main event. I really want to see how this stuff works. I filled this up with distilled water. I read some of the instructions so far, but I really want to smell the spray wax. So first things first is, it says how to use. So you refill when your bottle hits the fill line. So that's this one right here. And then you reload. So it says put the capsule. And then last is insert the sprayer through the cartridge, tighten the sprayer to release the concentrate, and go right back to cleaning. So I don't know how many uses this has. We will see how things go from there. But okay, it's not that way. It's this way. And that's it. Damn, that looks fire. All right, it says insert the sprayer inside and tighten to release. Okay, I heard that click or pop. And oh, look at that. It's releasing the product. And I guess it releases the whole cartridge. And next up, I will shake this up, I suppose. I put some warm water in here, distilled water. It is kind of cold outside, and just let it mix itself up. That's pretty awesome. A great way to refill all your products. And once you mix everything up, let me take a whiff of this. I have to. I want to know what it smells like. Just a clean scent. It doesn't smell like anything crazy. Like I said, it's just a clean scent. It doesn't have like that type of whatchamacallit, like a fruity smell or carnauba wax smell. It just smells clean. I don't see it anymore, but I'll probably put a label here and just say it's of course a spray wax. But if you need a reference, you have the chart. So I'm gonna fill up all the other ones. All right, so this pretty much concludes February's GLOVEBOX unboxing. So we pretty much got 2 things for one, and I can't wait to use this specifically. I am really itching to use this, but today is cold. I'm not going to use it. Most products don't like to work well in the cold. It's about 33, 34 degrees at the moment, but we'll save this for my cousin's vehicle. What we'll do is use pretty much everything that we have here, besides possibly not this glass cleaner. but because we're gonna use the glove box, so what we're gonna do is use the car wash soap sheets, do a 2-bucket wash method on my cousin's Audi. Then from there, we use the waterless wash for the door jambs, use the spray wax as a drying aid, see how it does, and interior cleaner for the interior, and their glass cleaner for the glass cleaner. Now, one thing I must tell you guys, I smell both of these, and they both smell the exact same thing. It says clean scent, this says clean scent, and this one says clean scent, so I'm guessing all of them have the exact same scent. I ran out of distilled water. You always want to use distilled water. This way the products last the longest for sure. And that's about it, really. I can't wait to use these. And thank you, Fred, for sponsoring this. Also, another thing to note is GLOVEBOX, this is a great way to just try new stuff. I probably won't try this type of company unless it wasn't given to me in GLOVEBOX. So I will be using this glass cleaner, give my verdict as well. But this is a great way to try products. And there are other quality products. If you haven't seen my previous video, a bunch of companies make quality products, and GLOVEBOX gives you that value where you just pay a subscription monthly and you're gonna get more than what you would pay for a bunch of products. So it's just something to say, and these are quality products. They give you quality products to try out. And yeah, so all the products will be down below in the description. The GLOVEBOX subscription will be down below. Use code DMS for 30% off your first GLOVEBOX and pretty much everything else on the site. And yeah, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next video where I'll use the GLOVEBOX RX to detail my cousin's car with the stuff that came in. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.